Good morning. Hello, everyone. This is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and happy Tuesday. I hope all is going well. Today's video, we're talking about my vanity project. That was a New Year's resolution, and if you guys had followed the one of my other YouTube videos, and it's also on the blog, about the big white table that was clustered with all kind of mess, that was one of my major resolutions for this year, and I have just finished it and I'm so proud. So stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through how I did it step by step on a budget of under $100. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to walk through the vanity project step by step. And the first thing I did was I love antique shopping at the flea market. So I found a sofa table at the local flea market, and it was stained on the bottom. It has a storage shelf underneath, and it is the natural wood look and varnished on the top, and it does match the decor of the bedroom. But this was $40 at the flea market. What a find. I was so jazzed. And so I did not have to redo it. It was just the colors I needed, scooted it up against the wall. And the next thing I did was I went to Five Below, which is like a local dollar store here. And these little canvas tote things that you've seen, at Walmart and such, these were two for $5. So I bought 6 of these to store all my beauty boxes and all the random stuff that doesn't match. And if you guys know me, I'm matchy OCD, but I have taken and stored all my different stuff. This one has hair products. This one over here has got all the samples and, makeup I don't use every day. Here's my grandmother's antique vanity tray that I've got all the stuff that I use on a daily basis. And underneath on the shelf, I've hidden all the beauty boxes and little cosmetic bags full of stuff that I really don't use every day and don't have to have really quick access to. And that leaves me enough room to scoot my knees under there. So that was perfect. So the table was $40 and the bags were $30 because I got 3 sets of 2, so I got 6 total, and that was $30, 2 for $5 at the store. The next one, I went to Walmart and I got just a black framed mirror, basic mirror, which was $15. So we are at $40, $70, $85, and that was all I spent on this project. I already had the vanity lights that I got from Amazon years ago, and I love them because, as you can see, they put you in the best light. And I already had the vanity lights, so that was not money I had to spend. And the last thing that I did was I already had these bar stools, and there was a set of 2. But I liked it because the color matched, so I had Brad cut the legs down as small as he could so I could sit down and get my legs underneath. So it is the perfect height for the vanity mirror. You guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And there's always a project around that you can do, but I am so proud that I finally accomplished one of my major resolutions for the new year, and I have a clean vanity. I'm so proud, and it works so well and not the mess because I could not stand it. You guys have a wonderful week, a wonderful Tuesday, and don't forget kimsbeautybiz.com. Much love.